Okay, so this is Core 4 Review Sheet A, Question 1, Part I. We're adding these two fractions together. So I'm going to start off making a common denominator. So that's going to be the product of x plus 3 and x minus 2 here. Okay, so this fraction here, I've multiplied the denominator by x minus 2, so I need to do the same to the numerator. Over here I've multiplied the denominator by x plus 3, so doing the same to the numerator. Alright then, adding the fractions together, they've got the same denominator, so we're just going to add the tops. And I'm going to expand this just to tidy the top up a little bit as I go. So that's 3x minus 6, and I'm adding the tops, minus 2x, and minus 2 times plus 3 is minus 6. So I just need to simplify that down. So 3x take away 2x is 1x, minus 6 is minus 12, and on the bottom I've still got these two brackets. And we're done. Okay, so on to part 2. And same idea here, so the numerator again is going to be the product of these. So it's going to be x squared plus 1 multiplied by x plus 1. Okay, on the left-hand fraction, I've multiplied the denominator by x plus 1, so doing the same to the top. Over here, I've multiplied the denominator by x squared plus 1, so again doing the same to the top. Okay. Adding the fractions then, I've got a common denominator. So I need to simplify this and this to sort this out. So I'd have 2x squared minus x plus 2x minus 1 take away x squared, and watch out because you need to take away that 1 as well. So tidying up. So, looking at the top here to tidy up, we've got two x squared, take away an x squared leaves 1x squared. I've got plus x here, and minus 1 is minus 2. Can I factorise that? Yes, so let's do that. So that factorises into x plus 2, x minus 1 over x squared plus 1, x plus 1. And that doesn't cancel, so we'll just leave it like that. Okay, on to part 3 then. Okay. So on this occasion we've got 3 separate bits to add up. Looking for the common denominator here, you can find the product of all 3 parts, but as x minus 1 already goes into x minus 1 squared, the simplest common denominator I could use would be x minus 1 squared plus x plus 1. So we're going to use that. Sorry, multiply by x plus 1. Okay, so left-hand fraction here then, I've multiplied the denominator by x plus 1, so I need to do the same to the top. Here I've multiplied the denominator by 1 x minus 1 bracket and an x plus 1, so I need to do the same to the top. and over here I've multiplied by x minus 1 squared, so I need to do the same to the top. Okay, need to cancel and simplify all the top down, so let's do that. So they've all got the same denominator, so adding that up. Over here we've got 3x plus 3. This is going to give me x squared minus 1, nice difference of 2 squares there. Here I'm really sorry, I'm going to do this in one go, so that's x squared and I'm multiplying by 2, so 2x squared. Then I get minus 2x, multiplied by 2 is minus 4x, plus 1 times by 2 is plus 2. Okay. So let's cancel that down then. Okay, so we've got 3x squared in total. We've also got plus 3x minus 4x is minus x, plus 3 minus 1 is plus 2, plus another 2 is plus 4. Does that factorize? Things at times to make 12 and add to make minus 1. No. Okay, it doesn't factorize, so we'll just leave it like it is and we're done.